So when you launch your real estate business, it's important not to be a secret agent. So the most important thing that you do is that we pull your database of all the people that you know, and we let them know that your doors are open. So first things first, if you have not already pulled your database and gotten it uploaded into our system, please schedule an appointment to do that pronto. Second is we are going to provide you several touches that will work to launch your business, all ready to go for you just to send out through email, text, Facebook, phone calls, what have you. So we've given you an idea of what a really strong 8x8 or launch message would look like. And then moving forward, you're going to put your folks on a campaign so that you stay in communication with them. And that'll be a mixture of emails, marketing pieces, as well as phone calls or interactions that you will have. So that is all ready to go and set up for you. So one of the tools I want to share with you today is your IDX. So that's a tool everybody likes. So if you share that with your friends and family, it gives them the power to search the MLS fully without having misinformation that they may be getting from Zillow or some of the other portals. So it's full access, up to the minute accurate, and everybody likes that information. So they may just check out what the neighbor's house looks like inside or do a little research or dream shop a bit. But yet you want to give that tool to folks and ask them to pass that along to anyone that they know that has any real estate interest. And that's a great way to show value, but also really instant credibility as you're getting into the business. So I'm going to share with you, I'm going to screen share with you how you might drive around in that program and use it. So first things first, you want to go to mlsfinder.com and log in. If you do not know your login, I want you to go to this 1-866 number right here, 1-866-965-3638, and say, hey, I don't know my username and password, and they will share it with you. Yep, I'm on the right screen. Good. I want to make sure you can see this. So first things first, if you don't know your login, there you are. Now, the first link on the first page is the most important link for you to share. And I've got to log back on. And I'm using an agent's as an example here. So this first click here, My Property Search, this URL right here is what you want to share the most. In fact, you could even buy a GoDaddy URL and have it forwarded to land on this if you wanted to market your own VIP access to the MLS. Now, when a consumer goes here, they're able to search by body of water, subdivision, school, community, through so many different search styles, like lifestyle searches. So much more, frankly, than they can do on these different sites that they're on. Most importantly, and one of the major key differentiators is that the information is going to be accurate. So don't try to compete with Zillow. People are going to use Zillow. People are going to use Realtor.com. They like those sites. Those sites are effective with consumers, and they're built specifically with the consumer in mind. However, you want to share with them that if they use your search, that'll be 100% accurate. And when that's going to matter is when they get serious. When they're really ready to look at property and write offers, they're going to hate to miss a property that maybe had a price reduction, or be frustrated if every time they call about a property to you, it's already under contract or it was already sold. So show the differentiations of your IDX versus the other portals, and don't compete, just share the difference so they know the value. Encourage them to use it. Encourage them to save favorites or dream shop or check out anything they have interest in, because that's what you're here for. You're a resource. Second to that, you want to ask them to share this with anyone they know that has any interest in real estate, and better yet, connect you with that person. And that way, from day one, we're already showing them value and then teaching them to refer. So this is a great site. If I'm looking for residential property, and let's just say I want to be on Clearwater Beach, I'm able to, drive, the consumer is able to drive just like the agent is, and it's exciting for them to be able to have this access. So let's just say I want properties with a pool on the waterfront. I can show that there's 21 homes currently that meet that criteria. And if I hit search results, everything that is for sale pops up. And what's really neat is the agent, whatever agent IDX we're using to share, is going to have that agent's contact information everywhere throughout the listing. So if at any point the consumer wants to schedule an appointment, view the property, get more information, they're going to be directed to you, the agent, because your contact information is everywhere. So even though this isn't your particular listing, you're protecting the lead. So it's cool. People love it. People can save their favorites. It's easy for the consumer to use it on their end. And the neat thing is on the back end, you'll be able to see your leads, how frequently they've logged in, what they like, pretty much anything that you want information on. So I can go in, and I used this one as an example so you can see I'm an active. I've only logged in once, and I have favorites. So when you log in here, you can see what people are looking at, when they logged on last, my 5 favorite listings. And it's a great way to pick up the phone and say, hey, I saw that you like that house on Rudder Way. It's really cute. I think I'm going to go look at it. Is there a time that you want to go peek at it as well? And when you do have conversations like that, people are usually more than apt to say, hey, heck yeah, let's go look at it. So at any rate, I hope you find the IDX a fun tool to share to your database, because usually that's one of the first you're going to share besides your mobile app, your website, some of the other great things. So if you need help, reach out. We have written this out in step-by-step instructions for you down below so that you feel comfortable getting your database launched and out. And remember, don't be a secret agent.